On Saturday, a total of 20 voters left various parties and joined with BJP at Takarjala. Mandal President Nirmal Devarma and other members of BJP welcomed the newcomers by handing over the party flag.
Even though there are no elections ahead, party changes are happening occasionally in the rural. A joining meeting was held in Araikobra village under the Takarjala Assembly constituency on that day. The meeting was held at the house of the Mandal President Nirmal Devarma. At today's joining meeting, 20 voters left the CPIM party and joined the BJP. They were welcomed by the Mandal President Nirmal Devarma and other leaders with the party flag.
Betini besok family besok buta sah.
Char family 20 buta.
Char family 20 buta. Bo party ni yakri family sah.
Bisa thana CPM.
CPM ni na. Kya am hakya na tini je family hai kaba je lukurok je aro hamdri phanyar no tamo hambairinya yasana busung sah. Ini bisa tu. পরিবারে যে সুখ দুঃখ তখন বং এলাকার বাহির প্রতিদাম খানে আলোচনার মাধ্যমে সংখ্যা মিলিয়ে সংখ্যা কয়েকটি সংখ্যা
Reported by Jiban from Bishalgarh, Chini, Khorang.